Hey guys, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, grilling on the Blackstone. My guys bought this Blackstone, I think before Mother's Day. Anyway, we have learned to love it. And so on my Blackstone tonight, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil just to give it a little oil. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of butter to put my onions in, which I have chopped and put on my cutting board. On they go. And I'm going to put let me adjust my temp. I'm going to put the chicken I think I have 5 breasts. Anyway, I was going to cook some of that and have it in the fridge so that it'll be a healthy option for me. I ended up putting some parsley in this marinade this morning after I stopped my live feed, just because I spilled parsley all over the floor. Not over the floor, over the counter. And I thought, well, I'm not going to waste this. So anyway, okay, let me give my hands a wipe. And for people that get sideways about that, you know, you have to do what's best for you in your kitchen and on your grill. And this is, doing it live is a little different because I don't have the sink out here. So I do the best I can with what I got. And, you know, my family's the one eating. Nobody's ever got deathly ill from my cooking, which is a great thing. Anyway. Move these onions around and get that butter in there. Move these babies over just a little bit. Now, to that, I'm going to add on the opposite side my flank steak, my BFRB flank steak. There we have it. And I am going to pause and wash my hands real quick and dump these in the garbage can. I'll be right back. Y'all keep an eye on it for me, will you? Okay, I'm back. Anyway, I don't want to turn this meat over here but once. And I like mine medium, but my guys, well, my oldest son, which AKA favorite son, likes his like I like mine, which is medium. But Papa's and Imaginary Farmer like theirs well done, so we'll do a little in between. You know what I mean? Try to keep everybody happy. Everybody makes it easier on Mama if everybody's happy. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I'll come back to you and show you what this finished product looks like. But I do love my Blackstone, and they are available at Walmart. They're available at a lot of what I'm trying to say, hardware stores as well, bigger hardware stores. And I think Lowe's Hardware is carrying them as well. But I love mine. When I'm done with it, I literally just cover it with a sprayer bottle of water and let it cook off. And then I take a scraper and scrape all the crud off of it, and it goes to the back into a reservoir back there, and cover it back up, and it's ready for the next time. It's like a big iron skillet gas powder, and you can look on their website and see all their stuff on Blackstone. Anyway, I'll show y'all a picture of everything when I get it plated up, but that's what I'm doing tonight. BFR beef flank steak and chicken on the grill with some sauteed onions, pintos, potatoes, and apples. So y'all take care. I'll see you when I see you. I'll post a picture when I'm done. See y'all. Bye.